Thanks to the hard work of our Financial Crimes Bureau detectives, 2 individuals who were scamming thousands of dollars from older victims are off the streets. I want to thank these detectives, as well as First Florida Integrity Bank, which alerted us to suspicious account activity involving these individuals, and also assisted us in gathering the documentation we needed for our investigation. These are particularly rewarding arrests for us because scams like this are typically perpetrated outside the investigating agency's jurisdiction, frequently in another country. This makes it difficult to investigate and charge the perpetrators. If you are contacted by phone, email, text, or other means by someone seeking money or personal information, please contact our Call Before You Pay fraud hotline at 239-252-2255. The hotline is staffed by detectives Monday through Friday, normal working hours.